Okay, so a patient contacted me for some growths that were occurring in her abdomen. Great, fine. I've got some things that can help that. But what's more important is that we really need to look at the whole picture because these growths didn't just magically appear out of nowhere. They came from some kind of disease pattern process that curated over a period of years or even decades. Now, in Chinese medicine, we are trained to look for these disease patterns rather than to just think of the end product, which is generally some kind of Western medicine disease name like polycystic ovarian syndrome, for example. So, in this case, looking at the whole picture, I saw elements of blood stasis, I saw phlegm, I saw damp heat, all patterns that are born from long-term issues like living a very privileged life and having a privileged diet, having a lack of proper exercise, probably consumption of a lot of food products or even microplastics, all of which will contribute to these types of patterns. So I gave herbs to treat the patterns, right? So Dan Shen, Mao Dong Qing, Shui Fu Jiu Tong, Wendan Tong, Quada, which is a form of Armiao one to clear damp heat. And now in this way, we're treating this pattern of disharmony rather than some kind of disease name. We're fixing a pattern, and you get to watch the symptoms get better. And this way, we get to see these growths shrink. And then we see other symptoms that the patient was experiencing, maybe that weren't going away. We get to see them get better. Things like hot flashes, improvement in sleep, improvement in energy levels, and even anxiety got much, much better. So, the moral of the story here is that we need to identify and treat the disease patterns. And then we get to watch as these symptoms, AKA the growths and other symptoms, go away on their own.